morning, happy Monday and happy moving day. So this morning we check out of our apartment here and we are moving to our new villa. I'm so excited. We've literally just spent the morning sorting out our bags. It's so funny because when we arrived in Bali, I only came with a suitcase and a backpack. And my backpack was mainly like all my technology, like my laptop, camera gear, drone, and like all of that. And then my actual suitcase, I think the limit was 30 or 35 kilos. And I was only 100 grams off from reaching like the limit. My bag now is so heavy and I feel like it is way over. So I need to sort that out. So that's the plan for this morning. Need to sort out our bags and pack up the rest of our stuff. I feel like we've just got like little things scattered around the place. So need to make sure that we pack everything. And then we check out of here at 11 and then we can go over to our new villa. It's gonna be so good. It's got a pool, it's got a gym, and I just feel like it's gonna be so nice. And it's also in such a good location, like it's in the main street of Canggu. It's exciting and it's just fun. Like obviously we've been here for 3 months, but it'll just be nice to have like a bit of change of scenery. Oh, I was also gonna mention on the weekend, we ended up going to Bingin and it was actually so nice. We ended up spending pretty much all day Saturday at a beach club in Uluwatu. So we went to Palmilla and then we went over to our accommodation in Bingin. I booked a Airbnb and it was so nice. The bathroom was stunning. So highly recommend if you go to Bingin to stay at Kalia. So yeah, we stayed there and then came home yesterday afternoon and then just went down and watched the sunset at the beach. So yeah, we had a really nice weekend and it was just nice to get away. And then yeah, today's plan is moving. When we get to our new place this afternoon, I want to try and like unpack and like settle in. But yeah, anyway, I just thought why not spend the day with me. You can see the move, you can see our new place, and then you can just hang out with us for the day and see what else we get up to. But anyway, I need to finish packing, need to sort out my bag, and then we will check out shortly. It looks like it's about to pop. Oh no, I thought I didn't have much left. Do you have room for this?
Alright, I'm pretty much packed, let's go.
On here. Maybe if I start laying things flat, it'll fit better. Do you reckon this is gonna close?
No.
Alright, let's do them up. Oh, it's not gonna close.
Hey, it's... Here.
Zip.
No, you're gonna break the zip.
How is that gonna close? Okay, whatever, I'll put everything in here. Oh. Can she do it? Okay, that is heavy.
That is heavy.
Wow, we did it. Alright, we did it. We've got one suitcase, one backpack, and a bag. Everything is packed up. It's actually crazy. Like the place looks so empty now. Like it looks so bare. Like our stuff isn't scattered everywhere. But yeah, we're all done. And now we can go to our new apartment.
Lime villas, it's been good. So much dust and everything.
Don't look at that.
It's been hailing this dust for the last 3 months, but it's alright. Should do with a bit of TLC.
Not our problem anymore.
No, you're off. There we are. Good mental picture.
I know. Crazy when we come back next time, like to Bali, in like next year or something, and it's just like, we'll drive past here and be like, oh, we stayed here.
We stayed there, that used to be home.
Yeah. So this is our new home. I am obsessed. Wait till you see the bathroom. Oh my god. Why are you sniffing the glasses?
Yeah, sure, thanks.
So we have a his and hers side. so we can keep our stuff separate. So basically we dropped our bags off and we went and had lunch at Ricky D's. So we've just checked in, and this is like literally the first time I've had like a proper look around, and I'm like obsessed. Our other place in Berowra at Lime Villa, like it was nice, it was comfortable, it was like relatively clean, but there was just like certain things that I just didn't love. I feel like once you start like living in a place that isn't necessarily yours, you start just like nitpicking at things. It's so nice to be in a place that feels really homey, and I love that like we're not here just for like a couple nights, like we're gonna be here for a while. So yeah, it's so cool. I'm so happy. I saw a couple on TikTok and they had stayed here and like raved about it, and the photos on Airbnb were stunning. So I had high expectations and I'm very, very happy. Yeah, just wanted to give you a little room tour. Yeah, we'll chat soon.
A few moments later.
Oh my god, it looks like I'm naked. I promise you I'm not naked. So, it's been a few hours since I last spoke with you. We ended up going to Black Sands Brewery and just had a few little drinks. It was lovely. It was a beautiful afternoon. I love it there. It's just so nice sitting outside, and there's always so many dogs there as well. We're back now from the brewery and we just got ready and we're gonna go out for some dinner. This is the fit. I'll show you a little outfit. This is the outfit. I've got dish, glasses, and I got these new shoes the other day from a little boutique in Berowra, and I'm obsessed with them. They're so cute and they're so comfy, and I feel like they go well with my outfit. We're gonna go out for some Indian, and then to be honest, I feel like we're just gonna come home and crash. It's been a big day, lots of eating, drinking, and socializing. I haven't told them. Oh my god.
What's that?
The plate on my bedside table.
Fell over.
Yeah.
Why was it even up in the first place?
I don't know. I think it's for decor. I'm gonna love you and leave you. I didn't end up getting a workout in, which I feel really guilty about, because I was pretty keen on doing a workout. I did test out the pull-up bar, and I think I did a total of 3 pull-ups just for fun. But tomorrow I will definitely do a workout, so feeling a bit tipsy.
I can tell.
Yeah, we're gonna go out for some Indian. I'll let you guys know if it was actually really good because it was a recommendation. But yes, anyway, I'm going to wrap this video up. It was a very eventful day. It was a little bit emotional, but I'm very excited. We're now in this beautiful villa. I love you all, and I will see you in my next video.